Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fearless Beaver Survival Gear channel. This is the Knowledge Series, and today we're going to look at this beauty here. So what is this? Nope, it's not a fruit roll-up. I wish, those are delicious. This is a splint. So I think this is an essential item, and it's super light. Okay, so let's look at the diagram there. What is a splint? Well, a splint is something that's part of a first aid kit, right? God forbid you're out there, you're on a trail, or you're stuck on the side of a highway, but it's isolated and you slip and break a bone or fracture. A splint is what you use to stabilize the point of injury. And usually it's more than just a point of injury, right? So for example, this one is 18 inches. All right. Now, just pause for a second, let you know there are lots of YouTube videos that can show you the application of these items. Because I'm not a paramedic, I don't want to get into that. My videos are supposed to be just a kind of a wide angle overview on these items, okay, to show you the value of these things, because I include them in my packs. So when you buy one of my packs and you have a question, guess what? Head over to this YouTube channel. Everything will be labeled. So if you're looking for a splint, type in splint, and here you go, you're watching this video. So let's continue. So a splint is essential when you have, those sprains, fractures, injuries, and it's a great tool. The key again with this, as with all the items that I curate in my bags, is that it be light, it be easy to use, and it doesn't take a lot of effort, right? This splint is used for first aid situations, a great resource to have, very light, very compact compared to my hand. I don't have big hands, right? It's a handful, and this will fit in the pack that you get for me. It's that simple. So thank you for watching today. Listen, get out there, continue having a blast, stay safe, stay fearless.